Hello, everyone. The institution I decided to perform the assessment on is Delaware Technical Community College, specifically the Radiologic Technology program. I wanted to give you a little history on Delaware Tech. There are four main campuses. The Jack F. Owens campus in Georgetown, the Terry campus in Dover, the Stanton campus in Newcastle, and the Orlando George Jr. campus in Wilmington, or the Wilmington campus. The first Delaware Tech campus opened its doors in Sussex County, which is the Owens campus in 1967. Then in 1968, the Northern campus was created in Blue Rock Shopping Center in Wilmington, Delaware. This was a temporary solution. The plan was to create a more permanent site, but then the institution realized that there was two populations that were not effectively served, both urban and suburban populations. So they created in 1973 the Stanton campus and the Wilmington campus in 1974. And then, lastly, the Terry campus in Dover was created in 1972. In addition, um, Delaware Technical Community College is the first state only community college. Um, So it is a vast service to the community to have all four of these campuses widely available at an affordable cost to the uh, population it serves. The mission statement states, students are at the center of everything we do. We empower students to change their lives through a comprehensive educational opportunities and supportive services. As the state's only community college, we provide quality education that is accessible, relevant, and responsive to the labor market and community needs while contributing to Delaware's economic vitality. We value all individuals and provide an inclusive environment that fosters equity and student success. Delaware Technical Community College, I believe, values student success and utilizing that student success to push our communities forward um, in their economic stability. So let's talk about the demographics and characteristics of the student body at Delaware Technical Community College. They're predominantly female at 68% and 32% male student body, and predominantly white at 47%. We have 26% as Black or African American, and 15% Hispanic or Latino. I will say that in Sussex County, where I currently am teaching, our Hispanic population is very predominant. And so I think those numbers might be a little bit more. Typically, our students enter our undergraduate programs. Um, they are usually traditional age students, meaning they are graduating from college and moving right into, graduating from high school, sorry, and moving right into undergraduate school at 65%. And then we have about 35% that are 25 and over. Typically, too, our state students are in-state students. The tuition rates are much better if you are in-state. I know students will wait until they are considered in-state to even start college as well with us. We also offer in Delaware the SEED program. I don't know if anybody has heard of that program. The Student Excellence Equals Degree. It is a free tuition program for in-state students. I think that is another reason why we have a lot of traditional age students. Um, this free tuition program allows for our student body to obtain an academic degree or a workforce training certificate. The accreditation for the college level is Middle States Commission on Higher Education. I must say that the institution just was awarded accreditation or re-accreditation last year. I was very new to the process, so I pretty much didn't know what was going on. But I'm starting to get a clearer understanding now. Um, Also, the institution has many program level accreditations, ultrasound programs, surgical programs, education programs, a lot of allied health, respiratory, x-ray, obviously, veterinarian, you name it, there's usually a program accreditation. I will attach the program accreditations to this submission. So if you guys want to see the link and all the accreditations that the school holds. So the program of study that I chose for assessment process is the radiologic technology program. Program mission statement says that the radiologic technology program provides a comprehensive educational experiences that enable qualified students to acquire the knowledge, skills, and behaviors necessary to be eligible for certification by the American Registry of Radiologic Technologists and employment as a radiologic technologist. The program goals are to demonstrate clinical competence by performing a full range of radiologic procedures on all patient populations. Students should professionally utilize verbal, nonverbal, written communication in patient care intervention and professional relationships. Program graduates should demonstrate professional growth and development by practicing the profession's code of ethics and comply with the profession's scope of practice, and demonstrate critical thinking and problem solving skills in the performance of radiographic procedures. In addition to having to comply with the accreditation standards set by Middle States, we must comply with the accreditation standards set by the Joint Review Committee on Education in Radiologic Technology. There are 6 standards that the JCERT is what we call it, had for us to comply with. And pretty much they coincide with the same standards, just more program specific with Middle States. The course that I've chosen to make the alignment with the assessment with is clinical radiography. The accreditation standard I've chosen to address the assessment with is this JCERT Standard 4, which states the program's curriculum and academic practices prepare the students for professional practice. I believe that clinical radiography truly does align with all 4 program goals and our core curriculum goals that every graduate must or competencies goals must meet at the end of the completion of the program. The tools in which we assess the standards, I believe moving forward, I would like to make some changes. A lot of our tools that we utilize have been clinical based and clinical competency based and clinical evaluation based. And sometimes I don't know if critical thinking per se is always objective as it could be. And so I would like to moving forward through this project, maybe change up some of these assessment tools and see, how effective and what the data would say with that, um, with the change of a more subjective assessment. This completes the share out. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them and I will respond promptly. Here are my references. And if you have any questions or comments, thank you.